Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a couple more items to share with you from Rowe Diamonds. They were kind enough to send me these items and I'm rather excited over a couple of them. Well, a couple of them, both of them, because there's two different items. So the first one is this gorgeous painting. This is a 40 by 40 and this is a 28 colour. Now this one does have two separate sticky sheets. Back of the canvas, absolutely perfect, which is what we want. These are a UK company and these diamond paintings are made in the UK. But look at this. And I'll show you the exciting parts of this in a bit, or the little bit even more exciting part. But look at the clarity of that. So we've got symbols that are numbers and letters, and then there's one diamond symbol. But other than that, they're all really, really clear. That canvas is gorgeous. Glue is really sticky. I'll just put my finger on that and find out. We'll just lift up this bottom bit just to check the canvas underneath. But yeah, everything is looking perfect. Just helps to flatten it down as well. There we go. So I will pop links to everything down below, but it has quite a few different colours in this one. But what's exciting is, look, we have some ABs. Look, we've got AB in pink. What one's that? 3713. There. So the letter R is an AB. And we have an AB in brown. And if that's not enough, we have an AB in yellow as well. And this is a square. So this is what I like. Rowe Diamonds do a lot of paintings that have AB in them. And if that wasn't enough, we also have a pink and a purple as well. So you've got a total of 5 ABs in one painting. And then we have, of course, the standard diamonds as well. What I also like is that these are coming with DMC numbers. So the ABs replace a DMC 3835, which is a purple. And that's one that I definitely know as being a purple, but that's a purple with AB. 3706 as well. That's a known pink, or at least it is to me. I've had it in a painting recently. And that is AB as well. So they're all ABs, but they're ABs on DMC colours, which makes it a lot easier to sort than companies that maybe give ABs. Oh, I missed one. We've got another AB. Even more. Okay, I need to check I've not missed another one now, because that is an amazing amount of ABs in one picture. Right, there's definitely no more in there. Now the reason this one is already in one of my bags is they did send me this picture a bit ago, and they messaged me before it even arrived with me. Now bear in mind it arrived with me next day, to let me know that the canvas had just misprinted on the key. The actual canvas itself was perfectly fine and workable, but it had just missed a bit on the key here. And because of that, they said, we'll send you something else. And then what they did was they sent me this one when the reprint was done. Okay, so we have 6 ABs. I mean, look how many of those there's going to be. This is going to sparkle. So we have 6 ABs in one painting, which I think to me sometimes it is that AB in the right place that can make such a difference. So if you are interested in paintings that have quite a bit of AB or special drills, then do check out Rowe Diamonds, because they do like to include ABs in theirs. And this one is a square as well. Sorry, I'll be just phoned then. Had to pause to answer the phone. Okay, and the second one, now this one is also very exciting. So they sent me a second mystery painting. Now this one doesn't have a smiley face symbol, but oh wow, I can't really tell what that is at all. There is definitely different symbols in there. There's the dark one, but then there's Z's and A's and stuff. I can't really make out what that's going to be, though it does. Ooh, ooh. So those hearts and stars, can you see? They actually take up 4 squares rather than just taking up single squares. Ooh, okay. There's something else about this mystery painting that's got me a little bit excited, but that's got me excited as well now. So this is a little mini mystery, but you can see that heart that we can see quite pronounced is actually taking up 4 squares on the canvas. Okay. And then we have the colours in AB, so we have 210 in AB. All the symbols are clear. So when it focuses, so they are letters or numbers apart from the heart and the star. But what got me excited was, look, it's an AB mystery. So this is full of AB diamonds. Let me get in it. Okay, so we have Ice AB. So obviously we are going to have a bit of a background. I may have to do this one soon. That is square. So these are all square, which also makes me excited because I love square. We have a purple AB, pinks in AB, couple. Then, here we go, we have a bigger one. So can you see? I'm not sure if the light's actually doing more harm than good on that one, but that diamond is the size of 4 diamonds. So it's a bigger square. We've got some pink, some purple, some grey. Oh, that's some black with it on the top. Oh no, it's 3371. It's a really dark brown, but look at that sparkle that AB gives. And then we have the star, which again is a bigger square. If you can see that properly, one's the right way around and one's upside down. And then we have some red and some purple. So I have a mystery diamond painting that is full of ABs. So I'm very excited to do that one. It does have a lot of white, but it's 20 by 20. I can handle a lot of white on a 20 by 20. And to me, because of the way they've done the symbols, that is a true mystery. I am not making that out at all. Not even like a hint, I don't think. There's definitely some change of symbols around here, but I can't make that out. Somebody might be able to, but I can't. Nice little snack size mini painting. Oh, I'm looking forward to doing that. I say I might have to not put that in my decision maker app. I might have to bump that one up a little bit because I really want to know what this is going to turn out like. And it'll be very interesting to see how a complete AB picture looks, because it's going to have the look of a special diamond painting picture, but it's also not, and it's square. And I really like the fact that it has the DMC colour, but then is an AB. I might have to think about how I can do that, mix that into my spare storage, but Ooh, very excited. So yeah, thank you so much to Rowe Diamonds for sending me these. I will pop the links down below, but if you like to mix your paintings up, either these mini paintings, so I've now had 2 from them. One was all special drills, one was all AB drills. Very much liking the symbol quality and the fact that you really aren't able to tell what it is. I find that's a benefit. I know sometimes it's hard with the symbols, but if you want some nice sparkly pictures, if you are based in the UK, their shipping I found was extremely quick. I do guess that can depend on, you know, whether it's a customer or not, may take a bit longer, but I'll pop all the details down below anyway. And thank you so much again to Rowe Diamonds for sending me these. I may have to go on a little shopping spree soon because I'm really liking these mystery paintings. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.